Do you have a plumbing problem at your home or business? At Drain Cleaning Barrie, we're here to help. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Call 705-309-0758. If not taken care of quickly, your plumbing problem will turn into a plumbing disaster. Don't risk more damage and money by putting the repair off any longer. Get the problem fixed fast. Call 705-309-0758. Serving Barrie area residents for 15 years. We will assess the problem quickly, tell you the cost, and get the job done right the first time. Call 705-309-0758. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For more information, visit our website at draincleaningbarrie.ca.